Love is clean and love is pure. And love is a thing that no doctor can cure. And love is a thing we need for sure. And if you don't got it, you got the music, I'll make you. Reach out to do your music and sound, no matter you're young or old, you got to let the good time roll.
Igama lami ndinguThulisa Mondliwa. I am the owner of Africa Cosmetics. It's a beauty brand that's based in Grahamstown. But in here today, it's a collaboration between mna nomntanam. Umntanam yena wenza ezizendlu izinto, mna ndenza ezizenwele. So we try to collaborate as much as possible, even if uyabona apha kwibhena yam nazi izinto zakhe ziyavela apha zize ibrand yomntanam yona. So under ibrand yakhe une-room diffusers. I-room diffusers, they're very good for clearing your space, i-energy kwispace sakho sinukise kamnandi. And then unawo nekhandlela, amakhandlela wakhe abhalwe Makwande, likhona elinye elibhalwe Camagu ikhandlela. And then unazo ke ne-room sprays, but i-room sprays andizanga nazo apha namhlanje. And then mna I've got i-oils apha ne. I-oils zami endinazo ndine-lemon serum. I-lemon serum uyayisebenzisa ke ebusuku xa ubukhe watsha lilanga uthambise yona ebusuku, because andi-advise uba umntu ayisebenzise emini because i-oils they tend to attract ilanga. So yona ine-vitamin C in the form of lemon essential oil. And then after that, zonke ke oils, they are made from light oils eziyi-2 that are very good for hydrating the skin without leaving that stickiness and zikwenza ube ungathi uzive uncangathi. So they absorb nicely onto your skin. And then ndibe ne-massage oil. Massage oil yethu in-right for ukukhulula muscles, ine-eucalyptus, ine-lavender, ine-rosemary, as well as i-peppermint. And then mene hair and body oil. Hair and body oil ke i-good yona for inwele. I-products zami ke ndizenze in a way that funeka zibe right for inwele as well as skin, because inwele zikhula entlonzeni. So into right for inwele funeka ibe right for skin as well. Ndinazo ke ne-sepha, ndinazo ne-lotions, ndiyazenza ne-shampoos, and I'm the only brand apha eSouth Africa ezenza i-daily moisturizer based on uba i-type yenwele yomntu yephi na. Oil yami, it's either ndikwenzela xa high porosity okanye ube low porosity. I'm based in Makhanda. I have an online store called Africa Cosmetics. Thank you.
Bantu abadala chama